Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I will share the top 5 plant-based foods that are high in protein. These foods have more protein than many animal foods. Most people think meat and eggs are the best protein sources. But plants can also give us strong and healthy protein. We will look at how much protein these foods have per 100 grams. Now, I am going to rank the top 5 plant-based protein foods, from the lowest to the highest protein. All of these foods are vegan and backed by nutrition facts. Let's get started. Number 5. Tofu. Tofu has about 17 grams of protein per 100 grams, especially firm tofu. Tofu is made from soybeans. It takes on the flavor of whatever you cook it with. You can fry it, scramble it, grill it, or add it to smoothies. It has all the protein building blocks your body needs. Some tofu also gives you extra calcium. It is easy to use, low cost, and great for beginners. Number 4. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds have about 31 grams of protein per 100 grams. They also have healthy fats that are good for your heart. You can sprinkle them on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. You can also blend them into smoothies or eat them plain. Just a few spoonfuls give you a lot of protein. They also have iron and magnesium. Number 3. Whole soybeans. Whole soybeans have about 36 grams of protein per 100 grams. You can eat them young as edamame or eat fully grown beans in meals. They are full of fiber, healthy fats, and all 9 essential amino acids. You can steam edamame, add them to bowls, or cook them in soups and chili. Soy is safe for most people and very healthy. Number 2. Spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green algae food. It has about 57 grams of protein per 100 grams. It is one of the highest protein foods in the world. It also has vitamins, iron, and antioxidants. You can add a small amount to smoothies or energy snacks. It has a strong taste, so start with a little. Number 1. Plant protein powders. Soy protein and pea protein powders have 86 to 88 grams of protein per 100 grams. This is the highest protein amount you can get from plants. They are great for shakes, baking, or adding to meals. Pea protein is gentle on allergies, and soy protein has all essential amino acids. They are perfect for athletes or anyone who needs more protein. So here are the top 5 plant-based protein foods. Tofu, 17 grams. Hemp seeds, 31 grams. Soybeans, 36 grams. Spirulina, 57 grams. Protein powders, 86, 88 grams. You can get all the protein you need from plants. Stay strong and goodbye.